Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna everyone. Today is a Chidadahi Mahotsav, which is also known as Chippad Rice Festival of Panihati. Is a yearly celebration of pastime of the Srila Raghunatha Dasa Goswami and Lord Nityananda Prabhu. This pastime took place on the banks of the Gangas at Panihati, which is just north of Calcutta. Lord Chaitanya and his associates enjoyed many transcendental pastimes here. This festival remembers how the Lord mercifully through Nityananda Prabhu and Raghunatha Dasa provide an ecstatic feast of yogurt and chipped rice along with other nectar foodstuffs. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Antyalila chapter 6, this pastime is described very wonderful. The Chippad Rice festival took place just before the monsoon when it is very hot and muggy, so naturally the most cooling of foodstuffs were offered. Cool yogurt and chipped rice were offered with sugar, bananas, milk, sweets and cakes. These two wonderful rices are served with traditional clay bowls. The nectar preparation from the original Chidadahi festival are faithfully represented by Chidadahi pots. In the village of Panihati, Raghunatha Dasa obtained an interview with Nityananda Prabhu, who was accompanied by many Kirtana performers, servants and others, sitting on a rock under a tree on the bank of the Gangas. Lord Nityananda seemed as effulgent as hundreds and thousands of rising suns. Many devotees sat on the ground surrounding him. Seeing the influence of Nityananda Prabhu, Raghunatha Dasa was astonished. Raghunatha Dasa offered his obeisances by falling prostrate at a distant place. And the servant of Nityananda Prabhu pointed out, "There is a Raghunatha Dasa offering you obeisances." Hearing this, Lord Nityananda Prabhu said, "You are a thief. Now you have come to see me. Come here, come here. Today I shall punish you." The Lord called him, but Raghunatha Dasa did not go near the Lord. Then the Lord forcibly caught him and placed his lotus feet upon Raghunatha Dasa's head. "Make a festival and feed all my associates yogurt and chipped rice." Hearing this, Raghunatha Dasa was greatly pleased. Raghunatha Dasa brought chipped rice, yogurt, milk, sweetmeats, sugar, bananas and other eatable and placed them all around. As soon as they heard that a festival was going to be held, all kind of Brahmins and other gentlemen began to arrive. Thus here were innumerable people. On that platform, all the most important associates of Sri Nityananda Prabhu as well as the important men sat down in a circle around the Lord. Nityananda Prabhu and Raghunatha Dasa Goswami was very happy, ate some and distributed the rest among his own associates. Thus have I described the pastimes of Lord Nityananda Prabhu in relation to the celebration festival of chipped rice and yogurt. Happy Chidadahi festival wishes for all. Hare Krishna.